Alright, so we're going to start with a slip knot. Stick your hook through it and tighten. Yarn over, make 5 chains. 4, 5. Now, going through this, we don't want to go through the first loop. We want to go through the second loop. So we're going to put our hook through the second loop, yarn over, pull it through 1. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, pull it through both. And continue doing that down the line. So into the next chain, yarn over, pull it through 1, yarn over, through both. Next chain, yarn over, through 1, yarn over, through both. And last chain, yarn over, through 1, yarn over, through both. Now that we're at the end, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and continue through the front of the V. I'm not sure if you can see this. Each little crochet comes in a V. So we're going to go through the front here. So skipping the first loop right here, going into the next one, into the front, in between that V there, yarn over, pull it through 1, yarn over, pull it through both, and continue going through the front of the V's. Yarn through, yarn over 1, yarn over both. Through the front of the V, yarn over 1, yarn over both. Through the front of the V, yarn over 1, yarn over both. And we're going to keep going like this, chaining 1, turning our work, and through the fronts of the V's again, and just continuing. Don't worry if you mess up. You can take your hook out and just pull on the yarn, and it will undo any work that you have messed up.